Reggae Boys defender Kemar Taxi Lawrence has launched a scathing criticism against the JFF just hours before they face the United States in a friendly international on Wednesday. Lawrence,
I'm frustrated. I was talking to Blake is frustrated. Haka feel the same way. Mattox, everybody just feel the same way. It's not that we don't want to play the game. We always want to play the game because we know this is our only preparation for what's to come, what we're going to face. But we know if we don't get it right.
Lawrence says numerous complaints have been made about the issues in the past and that the team is currently trying to make contact with senior officials from the JFF, but it's proving difficult as most of them are away with the Reggae girls in France.
We just got together and supposedly we're trying to meet with the head, which is not here, which is in France. We're trying to meet with one of those guys and it's not possible. We just actually tried to call their phone and we apparently remember it's 1 o'clock in the morning, so they might be sleeping, so there's no one to talk.
He says the ongoing issues have even led him to think about quitting.
Are you willing to walk away from the team?
Honestly, I said it to somebody today that I feel like, I honestly must say it to somebody that I feel like, yo, I should just retire because I'm going to see how may I help the program. How am I helping the program if I'm not winning Gold Cup? If I'm not winning games, important games, to uplift us in the ranking so that the younger generation coming up can go to Europe, can go to England? How am I helping the country if I'm not making it to the next World Cup or the one after that? Tell me really and truly, look into it from a player perspective. Am I really helping anything at all?
And the game will be played tomorrow in Washington starting at 6 p.m. Jamaica time. TVJ Sports has learned that 20-year-old Mireya Gray has been chosen to replace the injured Kayla McCoy in the Reggae Girls 23-member squad now in France for their FIFA Women's World Cup debut. McCoy was injured during Jamaica's final warm-up game against Scotland last Tuesday. On Monday, head coach Hugh Menzies confirmed that McCoy would have to be replaced. Gray, who is a junior at the University of Washington, made her senior debut in the Reggae Girls farewell game against Panama, which the Jamaicans won 3-1 on May 19. She also represented Jamaica at the under-20 level. It's understood that the Jamaican coaching staff is awaiting clearance from her college as she's presently doing final examinations. Gray's father, Heron, represented Seba Football Club, but his career was curtailed through injury. Jamaica has until Saturday to declare a replacement for the injured McCoy. The Reggae Girls will open their account at the World Cup against Brazil on Sunday at 8:30 a.m. Jamaica time.